Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Here on the Dogecoin chart, we continue to deal with this very choppy price structure. Okay, so it can still easily get another low in an ending diagonal structure here. Not a reliable count really, but also the move to the upside isn't really reliable yet. The probabilities are fairly balanced on this chart. I can only tell you that this is not yet a robust bottoming structure, especially with this double bottom that formed here, or actually triple bottom you could call it. But certainly there was a double bottom here between June and August. It doesn't give us a very, very solid bottoming structure, only 3 waves up afterwards. Also the third wave, if we count it bullish, then this would be the third wave of a diagonal, really only reached the absolute minimum of what it should do. Better would be the 9.3 cent level, which would also be the next target. That's the 1.236 extension level of the wave 1. Then we can say, okay, possibly this is already a third wave complete or nearly complete. We're going to watch for a fourth wave pullback. Fourth wave pullback needs to hold the 6.7 cent level based on what we see right now. This is the wave 4 support that ideally holds, because anything below the 61.8 retracement will likely make sure that the yellow wave count is in control. That can give us another low. Personally, I would still prefer another low, not because I want the price goes down, but because the structure is not great. Okay, I mean, what is this? This was not a 5-wave move. I mean, you can see it crystal clear. Off the bear market low, this was a 3-wave move up. It's just very difficult for Doge to create anything substantially bullish from here. Not impossible, of course, but just difficult. So yeah, we have to be careful here. This is a rather unclear chart that offers unclear probabilities at the moment until we see those 5 waves up, which might form around the 10 to 12 cent range. It's going to be very difficult to say, you know, are we clearly in an uptrend? Are we still in a downtrend? I mean, certainly what we see is there is some kind of a change, because it started to move from making lower lows, okay, towards a first higher low, you know, higher low, higher high, even though that's just minor, a very minor higher high, higher low, and another higher high. If it now forms another higher low in this wave 4, then we can look forward to that next higher high. And then the pullback should be a wave 2 correction, which would be a higher low. And so that's how we work ourselves here through this mess. Important is that at any point now, Doge stays above the 6.7 cent level, really. And also pay attention to the descending trend channel here, the descending trend line. A break above it could suggest that we are basically dealing with the 5th wave. Could also break above it in a 3rd wave. So what we want to see is, ideally, before we break out of this trend channel, ideally I'd like to see a 4th wave pullback, even though that's not needed. I mean, essentially the 3rd wave goes a little higher ideally, okay, and again it could be the 1.236 extension, maybe even the 1.38. Yes, then it would break the upper boundary line of the trend channel, but then ultimately what we want is the following pullback to be corrective, not impulsive. The nature of that pullback will tell us a lot about the 5th wave, if it's coming or not. And having that complete, then we can call it a wave 1. 5 waves are always the first indication of an uptrend, if the 5 waves point to the upside. So buying a pullback in an uptrend is usually a higher probability setup than trying to jump in somewhere along the way with not very well defined reward and risk parameters. That's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content there every single day. And you can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.